Okay guys, I'm back here again. Now I'm here and it's lower. See where the rocks are now? You can see the rock over there, and you can see those rocks over there too. The other day that I was here, part of it you couldn't see. See how low it is right here? I just want to know if the white perch out here now. I'm going to try if I can catch some white perch and some trouts again in this area. I just came in late, it's got like an hour, well, 6 o'clock, 2 more hours to darkness. It gets dark at 8 o'clock, so I gotta do this short video. Might be a short video, I don't know. Hopefully I catch something. Okay, I'm gonna just let you go. See how the current now it is. It's kind of lower now. The other day I was here that I did the video, I couldn't step over there. But now I'm gonna cast that side, so let's see if I can catch some trouts or white perch on this side. I got a bite. I don't know what it is, but I got a bite. See, he's pulling. Could be a trout. He's gonna be something big. Yeah, it's a trout. It's a trout. I think it's a trout. Maybe a bass. It's pulling somewhere. Let me see. I'm going that way now. Yeah, it's a trout. It is a trout, or yeah, it is a. It looks like a. Yeah, it's a trout. It's right there. It's a big one too. The water all over my. That's a big trout. Look at that. Oh man. Nice trout. Beautiful trout. Look at the pinkage of that. The pink of that trout. It looks like more like a cutthroat trout. That's what it looks like. See the orange under the chin here? The orange right there. It looks like a cutthroat right here. I want to keep this one. Now I gotta need a bag, and I gotta grab my worm that he on. Got a friend that he's gonna come and get it tomorrow or Saturday. Was it Saturday? Tomorrow's Friday. Yeah, Saturday. He said we get it Saturday. Saturday, not really not. Dangerous here, man. Dangerous. Those roots there, and I got this little piece of worm. You try to grab it. I wonder if there's some gold in here. Gotta be gold dust or something. They're harder to get. Gotta. I got the trout. My first trout right here for today. I'm pointing now more onto white perch than trouts, but if I can catch my threes, it'll be fine. I cast it where I don't need it. Okay, guys. There you go. There you go. Come on. Give me a bite. Give me a bite. There you go. It's gotta be something small though. Oh, I got him. Yeah, I say something small, but this thing's a fighter. It could be a bluegill. What is it? What is it? A bass? Oh, white perch. Ah, that's what I came from. Look at this white perch. Nice one. This is what I came from. And you're not staying with that worm in there. Love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Oh, no, I don't know where I put. Where did I drop the, oh, shoot. Where did I drop? Oh, there it goes, right there. Okay, guys. Sorry about the camera. There it goes. Another one. Yes. Okay, this is a biggie one. Could be a bass. Maybe another white perch. Yeah, another white perch. Yes. It's coming this way, guys. It's coming this way. Yes. That's what I came here for, a white perch. Here's my... Oh, no, tell me you're gone. Where are you? There you go. There you go. Right there. Yeah, right there, my friends. Beautiful white perch. Beautiful white perch. Look at this. Look at the thickness on the back. Look at that. Look at the thickness. See there? Don't take those spines out. Love white perch. Best food. Best food. Fish to eat. After the crappies. After the crappies. I like crappie first and then white perch. Maybe I can grab it with this. I don't know. Sometimes these white perch, those big white perch are greedy too. They're like the they're like the I'm stuck somewhere. There we go. Too close? Yeah, too close. Water is, you can see it's nice and clear. Just you gotta be careful because they can't see you from here. The fishes are smart. Okay, I thought I seen. There you go, there you go, there you go. There's another one, guys. Another bite. This one could be a bluegill. Yeah. Could be a bluegill. Come on. I think it took over. I think it took my bait. Bluegill, they kill your bait. Bluegills, they kill your bait if you don't be careful. Bluegills, they kill your bait if you don't be careful. If you don't try to hook them quickly. I think because the bait is small, they stop biting. Let me try a cast on that side over there. There you go. There you go. Come on. Grab it. Sometimes what they do is because the sinker is so bright, it's so shiny. Sometimes what they do is they just bite at the sinker and then they let go. Even the I think a lot they do too. the trout does the same thing. The sinker is steel, so it's really shiny. Sometimes I take a magic marker and then I paint the sinker black, and so that way they don't see it. I think I got stuck. There you go. I gotta put more bait into it. Came the other day and like around 1 or 2 they stopped biting. They stopped biting and then they didn't want to bite no more. And I said, you know what? I moved to another place and I caught some few bass, smallmouth, not that big. And I got hooked up right here. So, brother, told me I gotta take my boots off so I get a hook on this thing. Got hooked up. I got the feeling tonight. It's supposed to rain, thunderstorm. And I called my friend in Chester, Mass, and he says it's very windy over there and it's dark, so it's coming this way. Oh man, he went through. I'm gonna be here for a while, taking that hook out of my boot. Okay, I got something. Hopefully I do find something. Come on. White perch, white perch, white perch, white perch, white perch. Come on, white perch, white perch. I hope he's a white perch. The way it is kicking, he's a white perch. Yes, a white perch. Yes, 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 yes. Yes, yes, mamma mia. Mamma mia. Yes. Dark white perch. White perch is black. You took my. Okay. This is the last one there. Put that one there. The only thing you gotta do, guys, is spray your mosquito spray. You got spray. There's a lot of mosquitoes in here. It's bothering me, biting my cheeks, biting my face, my lips. Okay, one more time. Cast it farther. I think they're over there where that rock is out of the thing there. Okay, there it goes. Stuck right there. There goes another bite. They're there. It's just the current takes it from where they are. So what it does, the current takes your bait, and the wipers is right in between here. Oh, I missed that. It took my worm. I got stuck right there in that branch when I was casting, and I think, okay, I want to make sure where I left that. I didn't see where I left the hook. I know I was stuck in some branch, but I don't see the hook. Okay, guys. Okay, I got it. Oh, bass. Smallmouth. I hope you didn't swallow it. Nah, I gotta get another hooky. There's a fighter right there. Little smallmouth. A little fighter. A little fighter. Where are you? Okay, there you go. Little fighter, and oh, good, you didn't swallow it. Little smallmouth. Look at that. You gotta tell your papa to bite. Tell your papa to bite. I don't think I got more worms in here. Oh, I got one more. Good. Okay. Hey. That's the only problem about the worms. Other, you need some gloves, and if you wear some gloves and you throw it right back in the ground and don't pick it up, might as well just use plain with your hands, and that way you can wash them. That way you don't leave trash behind. You leave trash behind, man. You gotta know you gotta keep it clean. Because there's time that there's a lot of trash, and they close the area down because too many trash around near the rivers and more. When you're enjoying fishing and you like fishing and stuff like that, and you want to keep it clean, pollution out. I got a good bite right in between there, a huge bite. Nice big bites, but because the current takes it, they don't go after, and that could be some trout. That could be a trout or something. Let me just cast it there, just in case. It could be a trout. Yeah, that's because it's stuck. There you go. Come on, yellow perch, white perch, I mean. Come on, white perch. I usually on top, fish on top to the other side where I can get the white perch, big size white perch. But right now I'm not into it right now. Going up there and fish to the bottom and stuff like that, from top of the bridge. I'm stuck there. what I do, I cast where the big current there you go. There you go. Where the big current is. There you go. There you go. There you go. Oh, this is. Yeah, I mean, let go. No? Still got it? Come on. Come on. Come on, grab it. Grab it, grab it. Come on, grab it. Grab it. No. Current took it, or probably took my bait. Yeah. Oh, that was a nice pull, man. Nice pull. Let me try again. I cast it where all the current is. It gets stuck in the rock. Sometimes I get big bites from there. Trout bites. And what it does, the line gets stuck. So it goes around the rock. And then my worm, my bait gets floating because the waves of the current of the water. And sometimes, yes, my sinker gets stuck and my hook gets stuck, but yeah. But that's how I get the big fish, man. You cannot plan nothing to get stuck, because you're gonna have places like this. You use your split shot and get your hooks ready and the split shot ready, because you know you're gonna get stuck. But maybe 60% you get big fish, because what it does, the line gets stuck around the line goes around the rock and it gets stuck there, and the worm keeps waving like this, and then the trout comes in and grabs. That's what I like. There you go, there you go, there you go. Come on, come on, come on. It's gotta be a white perch. Oh, no, I think I hook up. Did I hook it up? Oh, there you go. There you go, baby. There you go. Ah! White perch got loose. He ain't gonna bite again. That's for sure. He's not gonna bite again. Everybody's biting. It's biting. Okay. missed it. I got him? Yeah, I do got him. That is a small white perch. Little small white perch. Little tiny white perch. Lucky I didn't grab him right in the gills. There you go, real white perch. Lucky enough, I didn't got him right in the... They're far in. I think they just got scared at me, and they're scared at me, or they've been seeing me fishing, and they probably went more to that side, more to the deep. There it goes. There it goes. There it goes, guys. There it goes. Come on. Freaking mosquitoes, man. I don't... Mosquitoes. Alright, come on. Let's go. Ooh la 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 la. Come on. A bigger white perch. Come on. The guy over there with shorts. I don't know how he can fish with shorts there, man. Okay, that's a white perch bite. Seems like he let go. I don't know. Nah, this is a small one. Yeah, the first bite was stronger. Could be a bluegill. That's a big eel, look at that. And where is... I'm trying to figure out where it is. Don't get under that branch. I'm trying to... Oh, the hook is almost out. So, it'd be good. I gotta get that hook out. But I don't want to touch the eel because... You touch this sucker, then you gotta wash your hands with sand. Wait, let me give you... I'm gonna give you a break. You're gonna survive. I don't like eels. The green eels, they're too germy. But I can't even see. It's getting... There it goes. There you go. Oh. There it goes into the water. There's something. What is a white perch? Yep, baby, a white perch. Wow, this one is a nice one. Look at this. Look at that. Look at that thickness on the back. Beautiful white perch. Beautiful white perch. They're biting. They're biting. It just I don't know if I need to. If I use a floater, maybe it's a lot easier. If I use a floater. There you go. Man, that was a bite. That was a good bite. Took my worm, I think. There's some white perch here, guys. Yeah, he took my worm. He took my worm. I still got it. Still got it. It's just I gotta hide I gotta hide more the worm though. The hook. There's something here. I gotta hide more the hook. It's getting dark and it's getting darky. It's getting darky. Okay, come on. One more bite. One more night. One more night. One more night. I'll be waiting for you. Man, mosquitoes are killing me. Oh, shit. Damn, man. Took my worm. That was a good bite, good bite, good bite. Strong pool, man. Strong one. It's getting dark. I gotta head out. I'm gonna do more casting here. One more. Well, actually two. So that way I can take these two pieces out. Oh, man. Okay. I know they taking my. I could see because the way you see how the split shot way down here. They just bite the split shot, and then when they pull, they take it with them. And when I pull back, it goes a little bit down, like that. It stays down on there where they leave it. And I know it's my split shot. Oh yeah, you mosquito. Come on. Oh, I got you, baby. There you go. Oh, don't tell me there's another eel. No, good. Well, bigger size, white perch, I guess. Yeah, this one pulls like a white perch. It pulls like a white perch and pulls like a trout too. I don't know what it is. Too dark to see. This is yeah, it's a trout. I know it's a trout. There's a trout. You swallow a guy. I'm taking which take. Ah, it ripped. Okay, here's a trout, guys. This is my second trout. I'm heading home, and the hook got hooked up in there. Let me see if I can take it out, because ain't gonna be for me. It's gonna be for my friend. I don't want him to just. There you go. I don't want to get hooked up with this trout. Damn, man. Too bad I got in late. It's just a short video, but and I think what I'm gonna do is head home, pick up my trash here. I don't leave no trash. This is empty. You see how empty it is? Hey, in there with a trout. Piece of worm. I got some worms in here. Anything here, it goes in here. That goes to the refrigerator that I got in my garage. The worms and the other stuff is the fishes go into the freezer. And hopefully this is it for it. Okay, you guys from over there. Here's the red bridge. I'm fishing under this. I knew it was. I mean, there's some trouble. The trouble, they just give you a little bite. They play with the food and they don't want to. They play with the food and they don't want to bite. So what they do, they bite and they let go, bite and they let go, bite and they let go, bite and they let go. Keep going and keep going until they eventually taste it and eat it. Okay, guys. I hope you like my video. And sorry that I'm back over here again, but closer to home. And I'm trying to see if I can sell my house and buy a new house, a one family size house. I got a special kid with a wheelchair and everything, so we need bigger room. And so until next time, this is Ray Torres Into the Outdoors. Hasta luego, and Primo's not here. Primo's in Puerto Rico. He's gonna be there for 2 months. So I was invited, but I'm too busy to go up there for now. And hopefully in the future, I want to go, yes, because I need to see my family, but I haven't seen my family for a long time, since 2006. So this is where I am under the bridge. I could have fished on top. Probably I would have had better luck on top because, and this mosquito won't bother you that much. But the only thing is the traffic back and forth. There's speed. There's too much speed there. They cross the bridge like they're like 100 miles per hour. Okay, until next time. Sorry for the camera and too much movement. Please give me a like and subscribe.